Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss the next PYQ of partial differential equation asked in Csirnet 2022. So our question is, the general solution of the surface which are perpendicular to the family of surface z square is equals to kxy, where k belongs to real number. So here first we have to find the surface fxy is equals to z is k, which is equals to x upon y z. This is a surface given. We have to find the orthogonal surface corresponding to this surface. So what is the orthogonal surface corresponding to this surface? That is f of x is equals to dy upon f of y is equals to dz upon f of z. So here we have to find fx, fy and fz. So dx upon f of x is what? Y upon z. Here z square is given. So y upon z square. F of y is what? X. F of y is what? X upon z square. And f of z is what? Minus 2xy upon z cube. Now we have to solve this by taking two factors, this and this. What we get? First we take first and second factor. What we get? X dx is equals to y dy, which implies what? X square minus y square is equals to c1. Next we take this two factor. First we take this two factor, next we take this two factor. What we get? If we take this two factor, what we get? X dx is equals to z dz upon 2 minus of this. So by solving this, x square 2x square upon 2 is equals to minus z square upon 2 plus c 2. So what we get? 2x square plus z square is equals to c2. First this, second this. So final solution is phi of c1 comma c2 is equals to 0. So here c1 is this and c2 this. X square minus y square comma 2x square plus z square is equals to this. So this is our final solution. Now we'll see the option, which option satisfy this. So we see option C satisfy this. So this is a solution of this question. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.